Laugh.
Laugh.
A joyful sound made when amused.
Why do people laugh?
People laugh as a response to humor or happiness.
Laugh.
Laugh.
Cry.
Cry.
A sound made while shedding tears, often from emotion.
Why do people cry?
Crying happens when people feel sadness, joy, or frustration.
Cry.
Cry.
Fart.
Fart.
A sound made when gas is released from the body.
Why do people fart?
Farting occurs due to digestion and gas buildup in the intestines.
Fart.
Fart.
Belch.
Belch.
A louder form of burping, often after a meal.
What causes belching?
Belching releases swallowed air or carbonation.
Belch.
Belch.
Lick.
Lick.
A sound made when the tongue touches lips.
Why do people lick their lips?
To moisten them or show nervousness.
Lick.
Lick.
Cough.
Cough.
A sound made when clearing your throat.
Why do people cough?
People cough to clear their throat or lungs of irritants.
Cough.
Cough.
Sneeze.
Sneeze.
A sudden expulsion of air from the nose or mouth.
What makes people sneeze?
Sneezing is often triggered by dust or allergens.
Sneeze.
Sneeze.
Hiccup.
Hiccup.
A repetitive sound caused by sudden diaphragm contractions.
What causes hiccups?
Eating too fast or excitement can cause hiccups.
Hiccup.
Hiccup.
Snore.
Snore.
A sound made while sleeping, due to blocked airways. Why do people snore?
Snoring happens when the airway is partially blocked during sleep.
Snore.
Snore.
Whisper.
whisper.
A soft sound made by speaking without vocal cords.
Why do people whisper?
People whisper to speak quietly or in secret.
Whisper.
Whisper.
Yawn.
Yawn.
A long sound made while opening the mouth widely, often when tired.
Why do people yawn?
Yawning is often due to tiredness or boredom.
Yawn.
Yawn.
Clap.
Clap.
A sound made by striking hands together.
Why do people clap?
People clap to show appreciation or cheer.
Clap.
Clap.
Gasp.
Gasp.
A sharp intake of breath.
Why do people gasp?
People gasp when surprised or startled.
Gasp.
Gasp.
Slurp.
Slurp.
The sound made when drinking or eating loudly.
Why do people slurp?
It might happen when drinking or eating quickly.
Slurp.
Slurp.
Chatter, teeth.
Chatter, teeth.
A sound made when shivering.
Why do teeth chatter in the cold?
It's a reaction to maintain body warmth.
Chatter, teeth.
Chatter, teeth.
Whistle.
Whistle.
A high-pitched sound made by blowing air.
Why do people whistle?
People whistle for fun or to call attention.
Whistle.
Whistle.
Sniff.
Sniff.
A short sound made by inhaling through the nose.
Why do people sniff?
Sniffing often happens to smell something or clear a nose.
Sniff.
Sniff.
Sigh.
Sigh.
A long exhalation.
Why do people sigh?
People sigh to express relief or frustration.
Sigh.
Sigh.
Grunt.
Grunt.
A short low sound, often made when lifting something heavy.
Why do people grunt?
Grunting adds effort while lifting or exercising.
Grunt.
Grunt.
Heartbeat.
Heartbeat.
The rhythmic sound of the heart pumping blood.
What does a heartbeat indicate?
A steady heartbeat indicates a healthy heart.
Heartbeat.
Heartbeat.
Blow nose.
Blow nose.
The sound made while clearing the nose.
Why do people blow their nose?
To clear mucus and breathe more easily.
Blow nose.
Blow nose.
Pant.
Pant.
Rapid breathing, often after exercise.
Why do people pant?
Panting happens to recover oxygen after exertion.
Pant.
Pant.
Rumble.
Rumble.
A deep stomach sound due to hunger.
Why does a stomach rumble?
It's caused by food moving or lack of it.
Rumble.
Rumble.
Chomp.
Chomp.
A loud chewing sound.
Why do some people chomp loudly?
It's due to forceful or open mouth chewing.
Chomp.
Chomp.
Shiver.
Shiver.
The sound made when muscles tremble in the cold.
Why do people shiver?
Shivering generates warmth in cold conditions.
Shiver.
Shiver.
Spit.
Spit.
A sound made when ejecting saliva.
Why do people spit?
To clear their mouth or express disgust.
Spit.
Spit.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun language lessons.